guys, so ito yung fridge, katabi niya ang washing machine. And this is it guys. Ayan, so yung kanilang microwave oven. And there's cabinet here. Wala naman laman. Yung breaker lang ang laman. So, let's open now the fridge. So, what's inside the fridge? Maiwanan natin ang ating dalawang kutsara. So, ang purpose nito, ginagawa namin siyang pang... Ano nga ba ang purpose niya, Mr. Jimboy? Mr. Nilalagay namin
Cold
sa freezer.
compress.
Ginagawa namin siyang cold compress. So, that's one. What's inside the fridge. And also, guys, tingnan nyo to. For the 15 days, every day, halos every day, meron kaming fruits for lunch, breakfast, dinner. Kung hindi man fruits, we have this dessert, cakes. Ayan, guys. So, hindi na namin kinakaya na kainin ang mga fruits kasi halos 3 times a day mayroong desserts for lunch, dinner, and breakfast. So, guys, look, and what's inside this plastic pack? So, here, meron siyang dragon fruit, may guava, and melon sliced. Dito naman, meron siyang papaya, pakwan, and also dragon fruit. So, napaka-generous nila rito, guys. Ito, dragon fruit again, papaya, and pakwan, watermelon. So, ganun. Meron ding pinya. So, halo-halo siya, guys. Merong pinya, ito, papaya. So, since paborito ko yung pinya, pag dumarating siya rito, yun ang napapriority ko. So, yung pinya. Kaya, as of the moment, wala akong pinya. Naubos na ang pinya. Tsaka madaling masira ang pinya. Kaya kinakain ko siya agad. Ayan. So, guava. So, guava, papaya, watermelon, and ito, melon. Melon slice. So, guys, look. This is what's inside my fridge. And ito, may dineliver sila dito na avocado cake. Ang sarap. So, hindi ko, 2 peraso yun. Yan, naubos ko na siya. So, ito, mga cakes na small portion lang naman din siya. Good for 1 person. So, yan siya guys. Ito 2, hindi namin nakain. Ito, isa na lang. Yung isa nakain namin. So, ito rin. Yung isa natikman namin. And there's so much. Very generous itong hotel na to. Hindi kami ginutom. Sobra. And nag-guilty nga kami kasi panay ang kain namin. So, here, wala naman naman. Ayan. So, dito, wala rin. And itong area na to, fruits, and dessert cakes. Ayan. And dito naman, guys, sa side, eto, mga drinks naman siya. Hindi rin namin naubos. Ayan. So, kasi for every delivery of lunch, dinner, and breakfast, may free rin siyang drinks. So, this is orange, tea, eto milk, and meron dito, eto, I think this is blueberry or cranberry juice. So, cranberry juice. Meron lemongrass juice. Ito, guava juice. So, guys, grabe. Hindi namin siya kinakaya. Kami ang sumusuko sa mga drinks na to. Yan. So guys, these are all what's inside the fridge. And so, I'm trying to bring this home to our condo. Doon kami papunta ngayon. After check out, we will go directly to Nat's rented condo. So guys, that's all. And thank you guys. Thanks for watching. We are now going out of the room. And we will be checking out. Bye. Thanks for watching and see you around. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.